right, and welcome back. And we're going to check some understanding on how to determine the center and variability of data distribution. So here we go. We have a tricky understanding. So some students purchased pumpkins for a carving contest. Before the contest began, they weighed the pumpkins. The weights in pounds are shown here, along with a histogram of the data. Okay, so you can see this right here. And this histogram of the data appears to be slightly skewed to the right. And so we have our data. And what I did right here with this data, because it's skewed to the right, I'm guessing we're probably going to have to find some medians. And so what you want to do is you want to lay this out, and it wasn't very nice, but lay this all out in order, okay, from the min to the max, and that can help you figure out your median, which you probably will have to do in just a little bit. All right, so let's use this data here. It says calculate the weight mean of the pumpkin. So on your calculators, this is what you want to do. Is you want to take the sum of all of those values right there, and so that's what it means, sum of those values, and divide that by the total number of values. In this case, I believe there's 23 values right there. Okay, and so that's going to give you your mean, and that's going to be the mean, all right, X bar of the pumpkins. So I'll let you do that. I'm going to pause this while I do it. All right, and what I found, and hopefully you got the same thing, is when I added up all the values together, I got 228.5 pounds. And then I'm going to divide that by 23 because there's 23 pumpkins. And so what I got is 9.9 pounds is on average what each pumpkin weighed. Now to find the median of the pumpkins, we're going to find the middle. Now since there's 23, what we're going to do is we're looking for 11, so we're looking for the 12th pumpkin. So if you go up here, you can start at any end. We're looking for 12 pumpkins. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 right there. Just count again, just to make sure I didn't do that inappropriately. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And that is going to be our median. And so what we have here, our median is 6.6, all right, pounds, and that's our median. Okay, and that's right there. Now, the next thing it asks to do is it says, would you use the mean or median to summarize the typical weight of a pumpkin in this contest? Okay, now right here, because it appears that this data is skewed to the right, we are going to use a median. All right, so we're going to use a median. We would say, would you use a median? We're going to use a median because distribution of pumpkin weight is skewed. And that is why we would use the median for our center value. Okay, and that's what we got. All right, so I hope this helps you out on how to identify mean and median and when we would use each one for center. We're going to go through another problem in just a little bit on figuring out variability.